Can you make money with appetizers? Well, it all depends on what you do and how you do it. Here are 5 tips that might help you figure out whether making money with appetizers is right for you. Hey there, I'm here. Welcome to my channel where we discuss all things food-related, from recipes to meal planning to business and everything in between. If you love food and want to learn something new, then this is the channel for you. Before we get into today's video, please take some time to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Let's get into today's video. So, can you make money selling appetizers? The answer is yes. In fact, appetizers are a great way to make money because they are typically small bites that can be made ahead of time and sold in bulk. This means that you don't need to spend a lot of time or money on each individual item, yet you can still turn a profit. Not to mention that people love appetizers and are usually willing to pay a premium for them, especially if they are unique or hard to find. So, what are some ways that you can make money with homemade appetizers? Let's take a look at 5 different ideas that you can try. Starting with farmers markets. Farmers markets are a great place to sell appetizers because there is already a built-in customer base of people who are looking for fresh, high-quality food items. You can set up a stall at a local farmer's market and sell your appetizers for a profit. Just be sure to check with the market organizers to see if they have any rules or regulations regarding food vendors. Next, we have catering events. Another great way to make money with appetizers is to cater events such as weddings, parties, or corporate functions. You can reach out to local event planners or caterers and see if they would be interested in buying your appetizers to include in their events. This can be a great way to get your foot in the door and start making some extra cash. Just be sure to get your foot in the door, meaning get your name out there before you start turning down jobs. Start small, work your way up, and increase your prices as you increase your customer base. And speaking of customers, let's talk about word of mouth. One of the best forms of advertising is word of mouth. So be sure to get the word out to friends, family, and neighbors about your appetizer business. They may be interested in buying your appetizers themselves, or they may know someone who is planning an event and would be willing to refer you. This is a great way to get started without having to invest a lot of money up front. If you are looking for more of an online presence, try social media. Social media is a great way to promote your appetizer business and reach new customers. You can share photos and videos of your appetizers on platforms like Instagram or Facebook and use relevant hashtags to help people find them. You could even start a blog and share your recipes and stories to build an audience. This can be a great way to build a following and generate interest in your appetizers. Just be sure to stay consistent with your posting schedule and engage with your followers. Finally, let's talk about selling appetizers at home. If you're not comfortable selling at a farmer's market, catering events, or using social media, you can always sell your appetizers from home. You can list your appetizers on a website like Etsy and ship them directly to your customers. This can be a great option if you have a unique or hard-to-find appetizer that people are willing to pay a premium for. Just be sure to do your research and make sure there are not any restrictions on shipping food items in your area. Check with your local health department to ensure you are following all guidelines. Whether you sell your appetizers at a farmer's market, through word of mouth, on social media, or from home, you can make money doing what you love. Appetizers are a great product to sell because they are typically small bites that can be made ahead of time and sold in bulk. This means that you don't need to spend a lot of time or money on each individual item, yet you can still turn a profit. Not to mention that people love appetizers and are usually willing to pay a premium for them, especially if they are unique or hard to find. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload.